बच्चों नमस्कार. Today we discuss about Coulomb's law in electrostatics and a definition of SI unit of charge. What is Coulomb force? We know that in previous classes like charge repel each other. It means they applied force of repulsion, and unlike charge attract each other, so we can say they applied force of attraction. But how we can calculate the value of force, magnitude of force? So Coulomb's given here, the force of attraction or repulsion between the 2 point charges is equal to product of their magnitudes and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. And this force acts along the line joining between the two charges. Suppose 2 point charge Q1 and Q2 located at distance r. Here question arises, what is point charge? Point charge. Coulomb's law apply only in case of point charge. You know that what is point charge? The point charge are those charges whose size are negligible than the distance between the charges. Let 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 place that distance r from each other, and force acting between them we can say here F. So according to Coulomb's law, electric force, Coulomb force, is directly proportional to magnitude of charges, magnitudes Q1 and Q2. So Q1 into F directly proportional to Q1 into Q2. And according to this law, force is also inversely proportional to the square of distances. So F inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. Combining these conditions, so F proportional to Q1 into Q2 upon r square, and F is equal to K Q1 into Q2 upon r square. Here K is constant and called electrostatic force constant. If charges are located in free space, it means air or vacuum, then the value of K in SI system, K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. But what is epsilon naught? It is a Greek word and is called permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space. Here new word, what is permittivity? Permittivity is the measure of conduction of electric line of force through that medium. Understand here? Measure of conduction of electric line of force through that medium. It means उस मीडियम में जो इलेक्ट्रिक लाइन ऑफ फोर्स है उसकी कंडक्टिविटी का मेजर है परमिटिविटी। देन पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, we write here F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square, but epsilon not indicate here free space or air or vacuum. So epsilon naught is equal to its value practically calculated 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 कूलम स्क्वायर अपॉन मीटर स्क्वायर न्यूटन, इसका यूनिट है। इफ we find the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, so we put here value 4 into pi की वैल्यू 3.14 इंटू एप्सिलॉन नॉट की वैल्यू 8.85 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12। ये वैल्यू पुट करने पर 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9। सो वी कैन राइट हियर एफ इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 Q1 Q2 अपॉन R स्क्वायर। इक्वेशन थर्ड, if there is some other medium between the two charges, here we consider the condition between the two charges are air or vacuum, but if there is some other medium between the two charges except air or vacuum, then F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here new word epsilon r multiplied by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Epsilon r, what is epsilon r? Epsilon r is dielectric constant of the media. Dielectric constant of media, or we can say relative permittivity of the medium. Relative permittivity of the medium. Here relative word indicate we calculate the value of epsilon r with comparison to the epsilon naught. It means it is the ratio of epsilon to the epsilon naught. We can write here epsilon r is equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. We can say here epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r. But what is epsilon? Epsilon is absolute permittivity of the media, absolute permittivity of the medium, and epsilon r dielectric constant or relative permittivity of the medium. So we can write here F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into epsilon r Q1 Q2 upon R square, and epsilon r is called dielectric constant of the media or relative permittivity of the media. Unit charge we consider here in equation third. In equation third, we put the value if F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton and both charge have same magnitude, q1 is equal to q2 is equal to q, and the distance apart between charge is 1 meter. So q square is equal to 1 and q is equal to plus minus 1. Q is equal to plus minus 1. We define here, it is clear, 1 coulomb charge. Definition of unit charge, definition of 1 coulomb, if two like charges, because q1 is equal to q2 is equal to q, same charges हैं, two like charges of equal magnitude है, q1 is equal to q, q2 is equal to q, are placed 1 meter distance in air or vacuum, मीडियम आपने फ्री स्पेस लिया है, एयर और वैक्यूम, एंड both charge experience a force of repulsion F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 न्यूटन कंसीडर किया है repulsive force. Assumption है हमारा F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 न्यूटन. So we can write here experience a force of repulsion 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. Then each charge is called 1 coulomb charge. Okay, thank you.